Today we will be touching on the topic of medicinal mushrooms for cancer. Hi, my name is Michelle Dao. I'm the president of Huada Herbal Medicine and also a doctor in alternative and complementary medicine. The things that you want to know the most about medicinal mushrooms is that a lot of them are actually gourmet mushrooms, which means that you can find them at your local supermarkets. Oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, even white button mushrooms. Those are the ones that are really familiar. A lot of us know about them, how they taste, and how they can be incorporated into your favorite dishes. But what you don't know about them is three main things that I would like to have you sort of remember today because they're so important. Number one, they have the ability to program the death of tumor cells. And this process is called apoptosis. APOPTOSIS. So this is a medical terminology that basically means every healthy cell has a gene in their DNA that programs when they will die. And so a cell should not outlive their purpose. Once they have fulfilled their functions, they should self-eradicate. And in the case of cancer cells or tumor cells, they're missing this gene, or in other words, is a gene mutation, and therefore the tumor cells will rapidly multiply without any kind of control, and they will continue to do that until they cause absolute chaos and destruction inside of your body. Number two, mushrooms, medicinal mushrooms, can increase your immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells. So white blood cells such as T cells, natural killer cells, and macrophages are really there to go and hunt down bacteria and viruses and fight abnormal cells like cancer cells. And so the more of these guys that we have in our system, the better, because that means that we can fight cancer very effectively and quickly so that it doesn't invade other organs to cause malfunctions in our body. The number three item that I want you to remember about medicinal mushrooms is that it has a lot of nutrition inside the mushrooms. I mean, as you can imagine, they are a really great food source. They come with all types of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin Bs, vitamin D, and also magnesium, protein, fiber, zinc, so many things that I can name. And so what does this mean? It basically just means that it's nutritious. It offers you the nutrition level. And not only that, in the case of cancer patients going through chemo and radiation, where their immune system and their digestive system is being weakened, having these mushrooms while you're going through such a challenging journey could really help your odds at surviving. And so there have been many clinical studies, and I can include the links and information for these clinical studies so that you know that they're backed by science. These clinical studies, hundreds of them, involving thousands of subjects and cancer patients, have shown that medicinal mushrooms have the ability to push back on the tumor and cancer cells, increase energy so that your body can survive the side effects of chemo and radiation, and at the same time help and support your immune system to fight back. So I hope that that was really helpful today. If you would like to look further into medicinal mushrooms, I'll include some links, and please feel free to look into them. And who knows, if you or family members or people that you love are going through a very tough time with cancer, maybe you can suggest something that could provide them a little bit or a lot more time to spend with their loved ones. And so thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the very next episode, which we will cover fukoiden, which is a brown sea kelp or seaweed that originates in the oceans near Japan. And it's really great, so I hope you tune in, and I will see you next time. Bye.